Alrighty, so this is gonna be like a little bit more of a dry session here, but well, I guess we can learn together. It depends. So I'll come here and stream. That's not what I want to show, actually. Here we go. Now, Spigot. Learn to make a Minecraft server, right? Spigot. Spigot. Spaghetti! Spigot. Boom. Spigot High Performance Minecraft. The home of Spigot. A high performance, no lag, customized craft bucket Minecraft server API. And bungee cord, the cloud server proxy. Do you know what that means? I don't. Sure as hell. So let's get in here and try it out. Now, hi, Almoji recently released Minecraft 1.21.4. The first bits of Spigot for this version are now available. This is a minor release which predominantly focuses on moving the winter drop. Okay. Now, resources, holograms, modern launchpad, wiki. Welcome to the Spigot community wiki. Where do we get started here? Forums? Let's see. Wiki, home. Spigot discussion, Spigot help. Bungee cord. Server administration. Discussion about things not directly related to Spigot MC. Now, good. If we, what do we have here? Download / build. Well, I guess YouTube is gonna be a friend, right? We come in here. Right. Set up Spigot server. 1.20 Spigot Buggy Minecraft server. Boom, boom, boom. 1 year ago. Yeah, I guess.
What's up? I'm Troubleshoot. Welcome back to another quick video. In this quick guide, I'll be showing you how to set up a Spigot or Craft Bucket server and host it on your own computer completely for free using your own hardware. You can have as many friends as you want to join, etc. It's all completely yours to play around with and host yourself. To begin, I'd usually say head across to the Craft Bucket or Spigot download website and download the Spigot build tools. Essentially, we're downloading a program to build ourselves a server file for either Spigot and or Craft Bucket, but that process can be a little bit confusing, so I've gone ahead and automated it through the use of a really simple one-line install script.
Okay.
These do take a bit of time to create and of course more time to maintain, so if you find these useful, make sure to click the thanks or join button down below. Now, you may be asking, why don't I just point you to a download for a server jar file?
Yeah, why don't you?
Well, you can do that, but usually they're filled with viruses, malware, etc.
Oh, Jesus.
As currently the Spigot and Craft Bucket team are not able to share jar files that they create themselves under Minecraft's EULA and law. If you download a jar file for one of these from a different source, it's completely up to you whether you choose to use it or not. If you do, you can skip past this build tools section of the video where I'll be showing you how you can build it yourself. It is only one command, but it'll take around 5 minutes to build. Anyways, without further ado, how do we do it? Well, on Windows 11, open up Terminal as administrator. Otherwise, on Windows 10, or if you don't see Terminal, open up PowerShell as admin instead. Now, if you open up the Terminal, make sure you see PowerShell at the very top. Otherwise, click the drop down and choose Windows PowerShell. Now that we're all in the same place, let's go ahead and run IEX space and inside of brackets IRM spigot.tc.ht and close brackets. You'll find this down in the description below. This install script is completely open source and transparent, so you can see everything that it does start to finish. When we hit enter, it'll give us a Troubleshoot Spigot MC installer header, and shortly after, it'll ask us where we'd like to place all of these temporary files. Currently, it's telling me it'll put them here, but I don't want to, so I'll go ahead and create a folder on my desktop called Spigot. I'll open it up, and inside of here, I'll click at the very top, select all of the text that's here, right-click copy, and in the console, right-click to paste. We'll get it set up in this folder here. I'll hit enter, and shortly after, it'll go ahead and download the build tools jar file file here and check to see if you have Java installed. If you don't, Java will be installed and handled for you. Now, it'll ask you, do you want to build CraftBucket as well? Spigot is the only one that's built by default. If you like it, choose Y and hit enter. Otherwise, type N or just press enter without typing anything to not build CraftBucket, only Spigot. Now, this is where things will take a little bit longer to set up. It'll go ahead and download a few programs and start building, but eventually this will finish in about 10 minutes or so. It really depends on the speed of your computer and your internet. Now, if you'd like to change...
Wait a second, wait. Straight up got like some errors in all that stuff. So, as the name of this, check the spelling of the name, blah, 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 okay, well, here we fucking go, right? It's supposed to install that. Okay, so it installed, I guess. Let's see.
Use this and get CraftBucket to build later. You can run the same command, choose Y, and as long as you leave all of these extra files here, the build process should be a ton quicker. Alright, so now that it's done, it'll open up our folder here, and it'll also tell us everything's done, opening this folder in Explorer. Awesome. So if we close our terminal now, you'll see Spigot 120.
Wait a second. That's not how it looks for me. Let's try to like extract it here or something, right? WinRAR extract files. Is that it? Does that look similar? No, it doesn't. Like at all. It's very different. Not at all like freaking great.
.jar. This is exactly what we're looking for, as well as a start.bat file that I add.
Wait a second, it doesn't look at all like that. I'm gonna regret stuff for me and my friends. I've never had it done like that. But no, this is 1 year ago. Show me the recent ones. 4 months ago, 4 weeks ago. How did you use the server version? Right, which did JDK did it one for me. Wait a second. Ah! All of this. Right. Need a JDK. Right, JDK.
And you have just
Java 20, wait. Let's see here. Java JDK download. Download. Boom. Oracle. Is the latest long-term support release, okay? Okay. Windows. Let's just install it, I guess. I'm not sure if I can use the JDK 23 if I need to download the appropriate version or if it like is able to also run all the things. I'm not sure about that. That was it. All right, good. Wait a second.
To make life a little bit simpler for you, it's already got some information on starting our Spigot server. Awesome. So all we need to do is copy these two files here.
Good. Wait. PowerShell. Windows PowerShell. Let's try this one more time, shall we? Wait, that's not the entire command. It's missing the IEX there at the beginning. So, okay. That looks a bit different now. I guess. It looks super different than...
Wherever we'd like to set up our server, or of course you can just delete the rest of these files if you don't want to update it or rebuild it in the future. I'll make a Spigot 120 folder on my desktop as such and move them in here.
So a star. Wait a second. That's a bit weird. Yeah, I mean, build your Spigot server file. Server jar, rather. Instructables, here we go. Ooh. Microsoft Spigot server is ideal if you want to add plugins to your server. Yes, I do want to do that. The Spigot community is very large and offers lots of free plugins. Running a Minecraft server is free if you host the server yourself. If you choose to host it on your own hardware, the following things are very important. If you don't port forward your server, only local players can join. If you are going to make a public server, I recommend using a hosting company like tigerhost.com. If you need a good PC to run, you need a good PC with decent internet connection. Yes, of course. Make a folder to store your server in. Spigot server. Download the Spigot jar. Well, like how to build Spigot server jar. Build tools, there you go. To building craft package Spigot and Spigot API. It is a standard program that is primarily used to compile the Spigot server jar. The tool works by downloading the vanilla Minecraft server jar, Bucket, Craft Bucket, and Spigot, and then it decompiles the vanilla server jar, injects Craft Bucket code, applies the Spigot patches, and then spits out a working Spigot jar file. All of which is done on your computer. That's cool. Previously, Build Tools was a command line only tool, but of January 15, 2024, Build Tools now comes with a GUI to assist those who struggle with the command line. A few prerequisites programs are necessary, but the instructions below will guide you through everything you need to know. There are two applications necessary: Git and Java. Right. It's okay for you only grab a manual if you good. Java below Minecraft, above Minecraft. JDK 17 above Minecraft 1.20.5. Azul JDK. Right. Why is this a separate website than the Java one? Azul JDK versus Oracle. Price more flexible. Huh. Okay, that's strange. Yeah, I think I'll probably just do this off stream. Because I don't think this interests like very many people, if I'm being honest. It's kind of boring. So I thought I could like speak more to it, but probably not. Probably it's gonna be very dry. And that's fine, really. It's okay. Not everything needs to be entertaining. Maybe for TikTok it needs to be entertaining, if I'm being honest. But yeah, well. Well, have a good one, guys. I wish you all the best, and see you next time.